Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Shuayb. Welcome to SGDC TV. Tutorial number 1. Several people ask me how to use Google Meet. If you don't know, Google Meet is the best video chat app right now. Better than Zoom. Yes. So let me quickly show you. You just go to the Play Store and there is Google Meet. You just install it since I already have it. Okay, you will be having your Gmail, which is free. You can make it in 2 minutes, and then you go, once you have downloaded, you just go to Google Meet and you just click new, create a new meeting, and here you will have the link. Just copy or share the link with the person you want to talk to, or you ask them for the link and you can just join in. Okay, hope this helps. Keep watching SGDC TV and let me know if you want to learn more about the best apps to use in 2024. Assalamu alaikum.